Israel Aboshi Ikwere, Martins Wigo Kana, Honorable Ambassador Chijoke Ihunwa Obiako, Honorable Prince Israel Umeju Oba Ebemandoni, Ishfo Ofonibika Ogubulo, Dr. Igwe Achese Okrika, Promise Reginald Omuma, Honorable Enyada Kukiga Opoponkoro, Gift Okere Oyibo, Honorable Ezebumon Ichemati, Port Harcourt, and Matthew Nenubari DK Tai. Before I invite to administer the oath, I would like to recognize the National Executive of the APP who are also present here today. Your Excellencies, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, to administer the oath of office on the Chairman-elect of the 23 local government areas of Rivers State, may I invite the Chief Registrar, High Court of Rivers State, David Ihwa Madweyi, Esquire.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Rivers State, Your Excellencies here present, all protocols duly observed. Your Excellency, I seek your permission to call out those to be sworn in. Your Excellency, I will call them out in 3 batches for convenience sake. Thank you, Excellency. Please, if you hear a name, please step forward. Vincent Ruben Obu Abu Adua, please step forward. Chibudom Ezo Ahoda East, please step forward. Mr. Iyeko Ikboro, please step forward. Mrs. Tonye Briggs Onyide, please step forward. Lazarus Gogote Ntegule, please step forward. Dr. Sule Amakri, please step forward. Dem Anengi Baraswa, please step forward. Dr. Riye, please step forward. Excellency, rise, please. You read the oath on the paper. We do it together. 1, 2, 3, go.
I affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Oath of office, please read.
I, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as Chairman, Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of the state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions, that I will do the best ability preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do the right to all manner of people according to the law, without fear or favor, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chairman, Rivers State, except I may be required for the due discharge of my duty as Chairman, Rivers State. So help me God.
So you step forward one by one to sign and have the handshake with His Excellency. This sent through Bernabo. Step forward. Chubrum Ezo, please step out. Mr. Ayeko Ekporo, please step out. Mr. Toye Briggs Onide, please step out. Lazarus Bogonte, Peter Goulet,
Balidaman.
Dr. Harry Agriye, Minister. Your Excellency, may I invite the next set to swear. Chief Brian Gopa, please step out. David Omereji, please come forward. Honorable Zodema Nwafo, please come out. Monday Dumiye, please come forward. Israel Abosi, please come forward. Martins Mwigbo, please step forward. Ambassador Chijo Kehonwo, please step forward. Prince Isaac Umejuru, please come forward. read it together. Oath of office. Read it together. Oath of office. Read.
I, Barrister Abbas Israel Easy, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will be chairman of Ikure local government area, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of the state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decision, that I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manners of people according to law, without fear or favor, affection or ill will, that will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as the chairman of the Ikure local government, except by request for the discharge of my duty as chairman.
So help me God.
Please go forward. Ibrahim Kokba. David Ebreji, please come out. Honorable Zaltima Wafu. want to do it. Israel. Martins Wigbo. Okay, please come on. Please ask the lecturer. Excellency, man, but Ishmael Ofuribika, please come forward. Dr. Igwe Achese, please come forward. Promise Reginald, please come forward. Nyada Kukigam, please come forward. Gift Ukiri, please come forward. Eze Bomoy Chimati, please come forward. Matthew Nenubari DK, please come forward. Read it together, please. The first one, oath of allegiance. Please read.
Do solemnly swear and affirm that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Government of Nigeria, that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Turn to the next page. Oath of office. Read.
I, Oko-Jumbo, do solemnly swear and affirm that I will faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. As Chairman, Rivers State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my knowledge, first and accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty and integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and narrative principles state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will not allow the personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decision, that I will be to the best of my ability preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will abide by the code of conduct to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to govern people according to the law, without fear of favor, affection, and evil, that I will direct or indirect communicate or receive to any person, any matter who shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Chairman, Rivers State, required shall be discharged of my duty as Chairman, Rivers State.
Step forward to sign. Ishmael Ofuribika, step forward. Dr. Igwe Achese, please step out. Promise Reginald, please come out. Iyada Kokegam, please come out. Gift Okere, please come out. Isabel Chimati, please come forward. Matthew Nenu Baridike. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Distinguished ladies, gentlemen, it is with the greatest respect and honor that I now invite to present his charge to the newly sworn-in local government area chairman, the Governor of Rivers State, His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of Rivers State.
Distinguished Senator Bala Mohammed, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of our dear state, Your Excellency, the former Governor of Rivers State, Sir Celestine Omehia, also in our midst here is the former Deputy Governor of our dear state, Engineer Taylor Ikru, the Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly, former distinguished Senator Asuta Ambata, Sir Celestine, Sir Austin Opara, Chief Abiy Sekebo, Senator Lee, and other leaders of our great state that are here with us, the Secretary to the State Government, members of the National Assembly, Abiante, Boma, and others that are here with us, other Assembly members that are also in our midst, our freshly, or would I say newly sworn in local government chairman, guests that are here to witness this event, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen, I am honestly overwhelmed because I know what we've gone through before we got to this stage. But please, before I proceed, I omitted a very important person, one-time national chairman of our party. My party is PDP. Pastor Prince Secondus. I'm so happy that he's in our midst today. It shows that my party is still alive. Like I said, honestly speaking, I'm really overwhelmed. I don't know where to start from. But first, I will give God Almighty, God the glory, because without Him and only Him, we won't be here. That is the truth. About 3 days ago, what we faced is only when God is on your side that you can survive that kind of situation. So we return all the glory to God Almighty. Let me also appreciate the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And that is the truth. The President, without his support, I also believe strongly, and every one of you will also agree with me, that we won't be here. So I want to appreciate him for being a Democrat, even in the face of the situation that confronted us. He still gave us all the support. So on behalf of the good people of Rivers State, I want to thank him. I'm so glad that the chairman of the Governor's Forum of PDP is here with us to witness this ceremony. I want to assure you that I still remain a member of PDP. But the truth remains, desperate situation requires desperate measures. We were confronted with a situation where the local government of this state was heading to do. And the truth about it is, because of the genuine love that we have for this state, we must salvage the local government council. And what we did, with the support of the Rivers people, was to salvage the local government council. And to the glory of God, that has been done and dusted. Michelle Obama said, when they set a very low standard, you set a very high standard. We're not going to go with their ways. We're not going to confront or fight anybody who will continue to use the means of peace, the means of ensuring that this state, the asset of this state is protected, the means of ensuring the federal government that we are not going to be party to any breakdown of law and order in this state. Because we know quite all right that if there is breakdown of law and order in this state, Nigeria would suffer, and we are not party to it. And that is the reason why our standard in terms of maturity must be high. For the newly sworn chairman, I want you to see yourself as servants. Once you see yourself as emperor, that is where the problem begins. Once you see yourself as the one who knows it all, because of the power of the fund in your pocket, or will I say disposed to you, that is when we start seeing crisis. But see this opportunity as a call to service, as an opportunity for you to bring people together and to deliver to the people of Rivers State. We need development in the 23 local government areas. That is the truth. A few things might have happened, but more need to be done. And I'm charging you to be that ambassador. Ensure that you represent the people that have elected you well. Represent them well. Work for the betterment of your local government. Ensure that you be, I use the word servant. Open your doors. Embrace everyone. And I assure you that nothing is bigger and greater than that. That is the structure. That is the structure. When you work for the people, when you bring them in, when you help them, there is nothing bigger than that. So that will be the ingredient of this administration. I want to charge you to be peace-loving. I'm aware that they are mobilizing 20 people per unit to go and confront you tomorrow when you resume in your local government headquarters. But please, if they are coming with violence, avoid them. The peace of the state is too important to us. It is on public notice. Everybody knows what they are planning. But please, I want to beg every one of you, follow my approach. At the right time, you will always win if you're patient and calculative. We have made our promises to our people. We are going to lead them to the promised land. And where is that promised land? We want to create a river state. In secondary school, they say there's something they call egalitarian society, where there is peace, where everybody is equal. My own side of the extract from the national anthem is a nation where no one is oppressed. So please, key into this. Work as if the government is ending tomorrow. Ensure that you give your people what is right. It is not, let me tell you, life is not about you trying to get everything. Because if you think it's about you getting everything, I assure you, you lose everything. You must ensure that this opportunity God has given to you at this critical time. I'm looking at your faces. If it were in a normal situation, you know what I mean normal situation? They used to say in the local palace, who's that monkey? You know it. So God had a reason for bringing you now. Don't fail him. Don't fail these people, these elders that are here to witness this ceremony. We want this to be a landmark. That is the truth. This is the beginning of a new river state. And I'm going to make sure that I supervise it with all my all. You know what I mean? With all my all. You know I'm a very disciplined person. I will follow up whatever is happening in the 22 local government with everything. Because I believe this is not a time for me to make any mistake. So that people then will say, but we know. You must live up to, or not just up to, above board. But I know with what you have done in your past responsibilities, and a few of you that I know personally, you are not going to disappoint us. We are doing this today for the world, for Nigerians to know that the issue of local government election, swearing in, resumption of office in Rivers State is over. So maybe from tomorrow the story will be different, not issue of it can't happen. it will be stopped. What we're talking about now will be a different story. So let me thank everyone, more especially again, our leaders. Honestly speaking, I know why I said our leaders. Senator Mbata, Pastor Prince Secondus, Right the Honorable Lawson Okpara, assassinated the Mayor, Engineer Teleku, the Walking Chief. The Walking Chief. He knows himself. For your support. Your faces here speaks volume. And it's a message to Nigerians, to the good people of this country, that our administration has the quality. They recognize as men and women that matters in this state. The history of this state will not be complete without mentioning these names. That is the truth. We're not talking about from 1999, even before 1999. Like I always say, I don't want us to be too many. If we have 3 or 4, let that 4 be quality. I'm not going to put you out to protest, eh? Don't worry. But we'll have other ways to channel our grievances more maturely. Let me also thank my senior, the governor of Bauchi State that is here with us, the chairman of my party, the greatest loser of this process. It is me and my party. But we believe you people are not going to drive us out of Rivers State, eh? Because we are the one that are also helping you to drive your process. Eh? So help us, let us also survive in the state. Now that you people have, what is the name of your party? That this party has taken over. So I'm happy. I want to thank my senior, the chairman of the PDP Governors Forum that is here to witness this ceremony with us, and to assure him that I'm staying with him. I know maybe his reason of coming is the fear that I'm leaving our party. No, I'm staying with the party. I'm staying with my party. So let me thank every one of you. You know, it's only when my spirit is very high, that's when I talk too much. But today, I'm really fulfilled, happy, and relaxed that what we started together and that we didn't know where it was going to end, but by the special grace of God, the greater grace of God, has ended well this evening. Every well-meaning Rivers citizen should give their support to this administration. We mean well for you, and that is the simple truth. We mean well for Rivers people, and God being on our side, we will continue to do what is best within our power to make sure that we put smiles in the faces of Rivers people. Let me on this note appreciate our media men who have stood by us from Wednesday night, that when the whole thing started, and your publicity that gave us, honestly speaking, the country's support. I want to appreciate you. In the course of what we did, a few persons might feel maybe bad or whatever. It wasn't done intentionally. It wasn't a personal issue. What needed to be done was what we did. So if anybody feels hurt, let me on behalf of the government apologize. So what is important is that the integrity of Rivers State, the sovereignty of the geography of Rivers State must, by every means, be protected. By me, because I took the oath on the 29th, is it not? Yes. 29th of May. So I must, at every point, defend the integrity and sovereignty of this state. I thank you for your support, and I wish every one of you well. May God bless you.